A samurai sword or katana is a curved single-edged sword first worn by the Japanese warriors in the 13th century. By learning how to make a samurai sword, you can create a formidable weapon or even use it as an impressive decoration for your home. So let's watch the video below to get started. In this video, the man is 75 years old, but he has been making Japanese swords for a very long time and has forged 1,000 Japanese swords. First, this man is preparing a light of fire and chooses tamahagane steel to make his sword. The clean is by removing impurities and oxidizes it by heating it in a coal-filled furnace. As continuously flattening the steel block in turn. After you have a flat steel plate, use a hammer to break the piece of steel. These broken pieces of steel will be wrapped in white wrapping paper and then assembled with a sword handle. Until now, the main passage really begins. When the raw materials are ready, the blacksmith can begin to forge the sword. The blade is cast in a hot furnace, cooled, and then machined by horning to its final shape. After finishing it, he sharpened it and then decorated, protecting it by smearing it with mud. And finally, check and edit it, as it can be viewed and used. Also with this steel material is tamahagane, which is cast in a kiln by this craftsman. And with the same steps, let us see how he was creating it something special. This man doesn't even have a press to be able to mold the shape of steel, as that is why it takes 2 more craftsmen to join him in forging a sword by hammering to create a flat steel plate. Crushing them and then gently folding the tamahagane piece together. As it was the case above, they had wrapped and molded it in a hot oven to create the raw material. As the sword is then machined to the customer's request by sharpening it with a spear and then protecting it with black mud mixture made up of various components such as clay, coal powder, and crushed stone powder. The thin soil will be patterned on the sword. This can be considered a great performance by the Japanese craftsmen to create the traditional samurai sword. Do you know that the samurai swords have many types, especially the traditional bamboo katana sword? The bamboo katana is inspired by the period when carrying samurai swords were forbidden and the warriors carrying a concealed sword. As this guy started working on a scrap iron arm, then he had started hot casting it in a furnace with a high heat. After he had produced the heated steel, he shaped the blade by quickly feeding the steel into the stamping machine, making sure that the blade has a symmetrical shape and that ensures the required rigidity. The special thing here is that the workers uses a simple bamboo handle, punching holes for the bamboo branch, as using the adhesive to attach the blade to the grip and you're done. Decorating the sword with lanyards and carvings, and the resulting product is a Damascus katana sword, used in all battles by the resilient and talented Japanese. Forging Japanese swords is a delicate and careful process. To create these blades, the blacksmith must have not only a physical strength, but also patience, dexterity, and a keen eye for the limits of the materials and the beauty of a finished sword. As the main raw materials for making Japanese swords is a low-carbon steel, or tamahagane steel. However, the Japanese people use tamahagane steel more often because it has a diverse alloy composition, with carbon content ranging from 0.5 to 1.5%. A combination of the different materials in the melting process allows a blade with a good flexibility and stiffness. The use of automated machinery will help make the steel swords faster than ever. Different from all previous methods, here the workers use a fully automatic machine to do the operation from start to finish, such as hot casting, shaping, editing, and making the handles for the bars swords. As the Japanese swords are treasures accompanying the samurai fighting in the warring period in Japan, gradually contributing to the creation of a culture showing the sharpness, resilience, and uprightness of the Japanese people. That is why the Japanese swords are now loved, searched, and collected by many people as a way of expressing their material spirit and integrity. How is our video today? Let us know by commenting down below, and don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to support the channel for more motivation to make more good videos. For now, goodbye and see you in the next video.